Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Mr. Josh bringing you the extension article for the News to You extension activity for June of 2020. This article looks at the Ocean Cleanup Project. This project was started by a man named Boyan Slat. He is from the Netherlands region over in Europe, and he wanted to clean up the oceans of plastic. Plastic is a big problem in our oceans today, and he wanted to come up with an invention to try to clean up the oceans. So today what we're going to do is we are going to look at his first invention to try to clean up what is called the Great Garbage Patch in the Pacific Ocean. So let's go ahead and get started. Boyan Slat started a group called the Ocean Cleanup. The Ocean Cleanup studies the problem of trash in oceans. Let's learn about an invention that cleans up oceans. The Ocean Cleanup wants to clean up oceans. More than 5 trillion pieces of plastic are in the oceans. This trash hurts animals and the environment. Trash collects in 5 ocean garbage patches around the world. A garbage patch is an area in the ocean where trash collects. The largest garbage patch is called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This garbage patch is in the Pacific Ocean. So all this garbage collects in these big, huge patches because of ocean currents. The garbage kind of just gets stuck there. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is twice the size of Texas. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is between Hawaii and California. Scientists with the Ocean Cleanup wanted to learn about this garbage patch. They used 30 boats, 652 nets, and 2 airplanes to study this area. The Ocean Cleanup learned a lot of plastic is in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. So think about that. It is twice the size of Texas, just filled with garbage, and not just plastics, but whatever will float. The Ocean Cleanup made an invention to clean up garbage patches. The Ocean Cleanup hopes the invention will remove half of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch in 5 years. First, the invention collects the plastic. Then the plastic is removed from the ocean. The invention has a long float that sits on the water. A skirt hangs underwater and helps collect the plastic. So you have a float that sits on top of the water, and down below this float is kind of like a netting or it's something to help collect the plastic in. The invention uses nature to work. The wind, waves, and ocean currents move the plastic and the invention through the water. A sea anchor is attached to the invention and is underwater. The sea anchor helps the invention move slower than the plastic. The wind, waves, and ocean currents push the plastic into the invention where it is collected. So if you have this float that is in the ocean and it moves slower than the normal ocean currents, all the plastic will hit and collect on this big float because the plastics are moving at the same speed as the ocean currents. The plastic is removed from the ocean. The invention moves through the garbage patch, collecting plastic. Workers on a large ship collect the plastic when the invention is full. The ship is like a garbage truck for oceans. The ship removes the plastic from oceans. Some of the plastic is recycled. The ocean cleanup is recycling some of the plastic to make new products. So they collect all this plastic, this trash, in large ships when the invention is full. And then they take it back to shore and sort through all this plastic. The plastic that can be used and turned into something else will be turned into something else by the ocean cleanup team. And then whatever they turn it into, you can go online to their website and purchase it. And whatever money they make goes back in to all their research for different projects. Garbage patches hurt ocean animals and the environment. Plastic in garbage patches can be large and colorful. Some ocean animals think the plastic is food. The ocean animals eat the plastic and may become sick. Plastic in oceans can pollute the water too. Boyan Slat and the ocean cleanup want to solve the problem of trash in oceans. So, based on my research, they're really the major company that is trying to figure out how to clean up the oceans of this plastic. Now, Boyan came up with this idea when he was 16 years old. And his first invention was invented when he was 17 years old. So he was just out of high school when he invented kind of the first idea of this garbage collecting system. Now, this garbage collecting system has gone through a lot of different changes. And as we learned yesterday, he has created a different collection system for rivers. So he's kind of branching off into thinking about how he can stop plastic from even reaching the ocean, and then also cleaning up the ocean at the same time. Boyan Slat is a very impressive man. And I think we can all learn different lessons from him. All right, this is Mr. Josh. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and enjoyed this lesson as much as I do. I hope some of y'all actually take the time and learn more about Boyan Slat and all the problems that plastic causes, whether it's in the ocean or left on land. That's why it's important to try to recycle as much as you can. All right, this is Mr. Josh. I will see you later.